Introduction. Typography didn't begin with computers or even with printing presses. Its roots stretch back thousands of years to the dawn of civilization. Understanding the history of typography offers designers a rich contextual awareness of how letter forms have evolved in function, purpose, and artistic expression over time. This module traces that story, from ancient symbols carved in stone to digitally animated fonts in today's media. Through this module, you will understand not only where type came from, but why each transformation occurred and how those changes still affect modern design decisions today. 1. Pre-typography era. Origins of written communication. Typography's origin lies in early visual communication. Before type, humans used pictographs and ideograms such as cave paintings, approximately 30,000 BC, Cuneiform in Mesopotamia, approximately 3,200 BC, hieroglyphics in ancient Egypt, oracle bones in China, approximately 1200 BC. Though not typography, these systems mark the beginning of turning spoken language into symbols, paving the way for written scripts and eventual type systems. 2. Classical alphabets and script systems. Typography, as we know it, begins to take form with alphabetic systems. Phoenician alphabet, approximately 1050 BC. 22 characters, considered the ancestor of modern Western alphabets. Greek alphabet, approximately 800 BC, introduced vowels, refining written structure. Roman alphabet, Latin. This is the basis of our modern alphabet. Romans introduced capital letters carved into stone with sharp serifs seen in Trajan's column. Later, uncial and half-uncial scripts, medieval handwriting styles, black letter, Gothic script, popular in Europe during the Middle Ages, characterized by ornate, dense strokes. Johannes Gutenberg's invention of the movable type printing press in the 15th century transformed the world. Before this, texts were copied by hand, taking months or years. Gutenberg's press. 4. The Renaissance of typography, 15th to 17th centuries. As printing spread across Europe, so did the innovation of type. Claude Garamond, France, designed Garamond, a serif font with elegance and improved readability. Nicola Jensen created Roman typefaces with precise geometry. William Caslon and John Baskerville, England, innovated smoother, more refined serif fonts. Giambattista Bodoni and Didot, Italy, France, developed modern serif styles with strong contrast and elegance. Typography became not just about legibility, but beauty and balance. The design of books became a respected craft. 5. The Industrial Age and Advertising Boom, 1800s. The 1800s brought mass consumerism and the need to grab attention. Key developments: slab serif fonts like Clarendon, thick blocky serifs for bold advertising, display and decorative typefaces, highly stylized for posters and flyers. Wood type allowed printing of large dramatic letters used in Wild West posters. Typography became bigger, bolder, and commercialized. 6. The Modernist Movement, 1900s. Design began aligning with philosophical and artistic movements. Bauhaus, Germany, advocated clean, geometric, sans serif fonts like Futura. Swiss design, international typographic style. Precision, grid-based layouts. Helvetica. Key fonts from this era: Futura, Paul Renner. Helvetica, Max Miedinger. Universe, Adrian Frutiger. Modernism emphasized function over ornament, a principle that still dominates UI/UX design today. 7. Digital typography and desktop publishing, 1980s to 2000. Apple Macintosh brought digital fonts to the average user. PostScript and TrueType enabled scalable fonts on screen and print. Adobe and Microsoft standardized font formats. The rise of font foundries and typography software, like Adobe Illustrator and FontLab, empowered designers to create custom fonts. 8. Web typography and responsive design. Web typography has its own challenges: screen resolution and readability, web-safe fonts versus custom-type Google fonts, and at FontFace CSS allowed embedding of beautiful, fast-loading fonts. Modern tools like variable fonts, responsive grids, and browser-based rendering engines allow designers to tailor typography for any device. 9. Typography in the AI and motion era, present and future. Animated and kinetic typography for video, motion graphics, UI generative typography using AI and algorithms, voice-based and AR typography, e.g. in spatial computing and VR/AR devices. Today, typography is interactive, reactive, and alive.